A country without a strong air force is at the mercy of any aggressor. Pakistan must build up her air force as quickly as possible. It must be an efficient air force second to none. I charge you to remember that only with discipline and self-reliance can the Pakistan Air Force be worthy of Pakistan.
Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, as the visionary founder of Pakistan, not only shaped the nation but also foresaw the critical role of air power that led to the establishment of the modern-day PAF. In essence, the resolve of the current leadership of PAF remains focused to translating Quaid-e-Azam's vision of a self-reliant and progressive air force into tangible achievements. The concentrated efforts of achieving self-sufficiency through indigenization, unwavering commitment to excellence, and advancements in science and technology, along with induction of modern systems and strategic infrastructure development, will ensure that PAF not only upholds its historical legacy, but also pave the way for a secure, prosperous, and technologically advanced Pakistan.